Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine and having a good time and taking care of your family and loved ones. Did you watch my last video? If not, then let me tell you, I shared some symptoms that differentiate corona with seasonal allergies. Okay, so as winters are here and almost everyone catch cold and flu sooner or later. So I decided why not share some best home remedies for cold and flu that can help you relieve the pain and feel better. Before going to the home remedies, please subscribe my channel if you haven't, and do share and like the video if you find it useful. As we all know, viruses are responsible for colds and flu, so antibiotics are not able to cure or prevent these illnesses. Plenty of rest, fluids, and home remedies can help relieve symptoms. The following home remedies may help prevent illness, reduce symptoms, and shorten the duration of a cold or the flu. Number 1 in the list is zinc. Studies suggest that zinc supplementation may help shorten the length of a cold and lessen symptoms. Experts believe that this is because zinc prevents rhinovirus, the virus that causes the common cold, from replicating in the body. You can take zinc as a tablet or syrup, but always follow the dosage advised on the packaging. But make sure, too much zinc can cause nausea and stomach aches. Okay, so our next remedy is honey. Honey has antimicrobial properties which may allow it to fight some bacteria and viruses. Studies suggest that honey was effective in relieving coughing as a symptom of a cold in children over the age of 1 year. Children younger than 1 year should not have honey due to the risk of infant botulism. You can try stirring some honey into hot water to soothe a sore throat or cough. Adding lemon provides extra flavor and vitamin C. Okay, so our next home remedy is garlic. Garlic may help fight off a common cold because it has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic has long been a home remedy for colds and the flu. You can eat garlic in a raw form or add it in your meals. Or if you don't like to eat the garlic or don't like its smell, you can try garlic supplements. They are available in the markets. Okay, so our next remedy is menthol. Blocked sinuses and congested airways are common symptoms of a cold, which menthol can help relieve. Menthol comes from many types of mint plant. It has antibacterial and pain relieving effects and is an ingredient in many vapor rubs. You can also add menthol to hot water for a steam inhalation. Vitamin D is the next remedy. Vitamin D3 may be useful supplement to prevent or reduce the chances of getting a cold. Researchers had found a link between vitamin D supplementation and a reduced frequency of colds in university students. People living in colder climates may also find that a supplement boosts their vitamin D levels during the winter months, when their skin may not get much exposure to sunlight. Okay, so next remedy in the list is oregano oil. Oregano contains thymol and carvacrol, which both have antibacterial effects. People traditionally use essential oils containing thymol to relieve headaches, diarrhea, and coughs. You can find that taking oregano oil or rubbing it on the chest helps relieve cold symptoms. Okay, so you might wonder at this one, but reducing stress and sleeping well is also one of the good remedy. Stress or poor sleep may increase the risk of getting a cold or the flu. One study suggests that lowering stress levels through mindfulness, meditation practices, or exercise reduces the risk of getting one of these illnesses. Next in the list are probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that support gut health and may help prevent people from getting colds or the flu. Research has shown that probiotics can help protect the immune system against flu viruses. Okay, so you can purchase probiotic supplements or you can take food that includes probiotics. For example, yogurt, miso, tempeh, or sauerkraut. Okay, so ginseng may help reduce symptoms of cold or flu. Researchers on an herbal product containing North American ginseng found that it reduces the risk and duration of cold and flu symptoms in older adults. You can consume raw ginseng or take it in the form of capsule or herbal tea. Next, and the good one, is berries. Berries contain polyphenols which have antiviral properties and may help fight flu viruses. Researchers have shown that elderberries can reduce symptoms of flu and that a cranberry beverage could help support immune function. In some in vitro studies, berry extracts demonstrated the potential to help fight off influenza. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are also good sources of vitamin C, which can help support the immune system. Last but not the least is vitamin C. Vitamin C is vital for keeping the immune system healthy. Many people believe that it may help reduce the frequency of colds. Citrus fruits and avocados contain high levels of vitamin C, so you can take them, or you can buy vitamin C supplements if you don't like citrus fruits. Okay, so question is when to see a doctor. A cold or flu virus can last for up to 2 weeks, with symptoms usually at their worst for about 2 or 3 days. So according to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, people should see a doctor if their cold or flu symptoms last longer than 10 days with no signs of improvement. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope you will find the video useful and will share with your loved ones, and do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for the future videos. Thank you.